Good morning, students. This lesson is for class 3 for the subject of mathematics, topic cash memo or bill, which is covered in chapter 11 money, starting on page number 173 of your textbook titled Essential Mathematics and is being submitted to you on 8th of February 2021. Students, as you all are familiar with basic operations on money, now let us learn about making bills. When we buy something from a shop, we also get a cash memo. It shows us what we have bought, its rate, its quantity, and the amount we are supposed to pay. Let us learn how to make bills with the help of some examples. Example 1. Ria purchased following things from Prem Book Shop. 3 notebooks at rupee 12.55 each. 2 diaries at rupees 50.25 each. 1 pen stand for rupees 100 and 4 storybooks at rupees 15 each. Prepare a cash memo for following purchases. Students, as per this example, cost of one notebook is rupees 12.55. That is 12 rupees and 55 paise. The cost of one diary is rupees 50.25. One pen stand costs rupees 100 and one storybook costs rupees 15. Now we need to solve it as per quantity we are buying. Now to prepare a cash memo, first of all see the name of the shop is written on the top. Then the date for which we are doing the purchase. The items to be purchased, the quantity, that is the number, how many things we are taking. The rate is given over there and rate the money in rupees and paise. Now, according to this memo, the cost of one notebook, that is the rate given is 12.55 and the quantity taken is 3. The cost of diary, one diary given is 50.25 and we have taken how many diaries? 2 diaries. Cost of one pen stand is rupees 100 and the quantity is 1 only, so it is rupees 100. And the cost of one storybook is rupees 15 and we have taken how many storybooks? 4. Students, please note the quantity and rate are multiplied to get the amount a person has to pay. So, the cost of 3 notebooks is rupees 12.55 multiplied by 3, which is giving us the answer as rupee 37.65. The cost of 2 diaries is rupees 50.25 multiplied by 2, which gives us the cost as rupee 100.50. The cost of one pen stand is rupee 100 multiplied by 1, which is equal to rupees 100. And the cost of 4 storybooks is equal to rupees 15 multiplied by 4, which gives us rupees 60. And then we add up all the amounts to find out the total amount to be paid. And here this amount is rupee 298.15. Let us solve another example. The example 2. Mrs. Sharma bought the following items from Nidhi Departmental Store. The items are a toy for rupees 250, a frock for rupees 675, a juice packet for rupees 125, and a tea bag for rupees 175. Make a bill for her. Also, calculate the amount received by her as change if she paid 3 notes of rupees 500 to the shopkeeper. Now again, first of all, cash memo. The name of the store, Nidhi Departmental Store. The date of the purchase, the item, the quantity, the rate, rupee and paise. So, as one toy was purchased at the rate of rupee 250, the cost is 250 rupees. Frock quantity is 1, rate is 675. Juice 1 packet at the cost of 125, so the cost is rupee 125. And the tea bag, 1 tea bag costs rupees 175. So total amount is to be calculated by adding all the amounts, which comes out to be rupees 1225. Now, as the amount given to the shopkeeper is 3 notes of rupees 500. So, multiplying rupees 500 by 3, the answer comes out to be rupees 1500. So, amount received as change is equal to rupees 1500 minus the amount of the bill, that is rupees 1225. Subtracting, we get the answer as balance rupees 275. To give you more practice now, let us solve one question from exercise 11.6, page number 174. Kavita visits a restaurant with a friend and gave the order for 3 samosas, 1 pizza, 3 colas, 2 dosas and 4 sandwiches. Prepare a bill for her. Cash memo. The name of the restaurant, Eat and Treat Restaurant. The date and the items purchased are 3 samosas at the rate of rupees 15. So, 15 multiplied by 3 is rupees 45. The pizza quantity taken is 1. The rate is rupees 60. And so, the amount is rupees 60 over here. 3 colas. The rate rupees 30. And 3 colas for rupees 30 multiplied by 3, which gives us rupees 90. 2 dosas at the rate of rupees 50, which is 50 multiplied by 2 gives us rupees 100. 4 sandwiches at the rate of rupees 35. 35 multiplied by 4 is equal to rupees 140. So, the total amount to be paid is rupees 435. So, students, this is the way through which we can prepare bill as well as we can check our bills too. Always remember, the rate is given for one thing. We can easily calculate the amount for the quantity which you have bought. and then add up all the amounts to get the total amount to be paid. So, with this topic, we have completed our chapter of money. Now, the home assignment questions are, first of all, do exercise 11.6, question number 2 in your book only. Then you have to do these two practice questions in your notebook. The question number 1 is, Punit had rupees 100 with him. He bought 6 pencils for rupees 5 each, 4 erasers for rupees 3 each, 4 sharpeners for rupees 8 each, and a color box for rupees 12.50. Make a bill for him. What balance would he get? Students, the amount with Punit is rupees 100. So, what purchases he is doing, you have to calculate as per the quantity. So, just try this question. Question number 2 is, Mr. Agrawal went to Sonu sweet shop and bought 1 kg curd for rupees 150, 1 kg paneer for rupees 200 and 1 kg sweets for rupees 550. Make a bill for him. Also, calculate the amount received as change if he paid rupees 1000 to the shopkeeper. So children, try these questions in your maths notebook. I hope you all might be able to do these questions well. Thank you, students.